We'll guide you through how to transfer an Instagram account from an old phone to a new phone. You can follow this whether it's an iPhone or Android, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you went and got an upgrade, or there's another reason why you've got another phone. But we'll guide you through how you can get this Instagram account onto it. So to get started, come onto the new iPhone like so. What you need to do, so you haven't already, is you need to get the Instagram app. So you can go and open up the App Store and press search. Then what you can do is press search and we can go and type in Instagram and we can then go and get the app like so. I've already got it, and then what you can do is go and open it up. Here we are on the login screen. Now what you can do is come where the account currently is. You can press your profile icon in the bottom right, and press the three lines in the top right like so. At the top you can press account center, then you want to go down and you can press personal details. Here you're going to go and see contact info. You can use this for signing in, but also if you come back to your profile page, you can use your username, which is in the top here as well. Now come onto your new phone, and what you can do is go and enter in the username, email or phone, which I just showed you how to find. You can then go and enter in your password, which you would have set when you made the account. If you can't remember it, you can press forgot password. When you're ready, you can press login like so. Choose if you want to go and save your login info, and that's it. You've now gone and transferred it. If you wish, you can then log it out of the old phone. If you found this useful, then leave a like.